Our upgrade to a new version of Moodle gives us access to features which provide more streamlined workflows and overall greater ease of use when using VoiceThread and Moodle together. I'm going to walk you through some of these new workflows right now and show you how adopting them is going to make it easier for you and your students. First, I'm going to show you the new way to create a VoiceThread link in Moodle, which involves fewer steps and hopefully feels more intuitive than it did during fall 2020 and earlier. In the upgraded version of Moodle, it involves only one step to create a VoiceThread link. So I'm going to demonstrate by adding the link to an individual VoiceThread. To do that, I'm going to go to the Add an Activity or Resource. You'll notice that the interface is a little bit different now in the new version of Moodle. I'm going to go down, click on VoiceThread. I'm going to click on Expand All. Now what I'm going to do is give it a name. And this is now where the difference between the previous process and the new process, the more streamlined, awesome process begins. I'm going to now go to this little button here to select content. Click that. This new dialog box pops up, and these four buttons were if you're a past VoiceThread user with Moodle. These four buttons will be familiar. I'm going to click on an individual VoiceThread. This is what I have for lecture 1.1. I'm going to click that. Share with class. That's what I want to call it. Click Save. I've now selected the content right here in this initial dialog box. I'm going to have it show on the course page. Just going to go to the bottom, save and return to course. So now everything's all done. It's all configured. The link is created. And so when I click on it, it'll open a new tab and go directly to that VoiceThread. Okay. So that was the new process for adding a link to a VoiceThread in the new version of Moodle. It's more streamlined. It only involves one step, one interface that you have to go to create it. And hopefully it will make it easier and more intuitive for you to do this. If you have any questions, of course, please reach out to me or any of the AIAs.